anything you want to do in life, you can do it. If you've got the hustle and you're smart about it and you have the skills, you can make money doing this and you can make a good living. But I want people to understand it's not about the clicks at the end of the day, the downloads and all the free stuff that some sponsors may send you isn't why you should do this. You should do that because you want to help the industry. It shouldn't need it for the money, right? If all of that became demonetized tomorrow, I'll still be here. Like, as a Canadian on TikTok, they don't send me money. Like, that's the other thing that people don't know. Like, TikTok it's not monetized in Canada. I'm not getting money from TikTok for doing this.
Oh, right? Really?
No. So the little shorts and shit, it doesn't pay. It wouldn't matter if the podcast didn't pay tomorrow. You're still going to hear me rant every week about something and tell somebody's story every week until I friggin' think I'm done, till I don't need to tell it anymore. You know,
it makes you happy.